Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today I want to show you how to make Sakura tea with pickled cherry blossoms. If you've never had Sakura teas before, it has a slight floral note with a faint pinkish yellow color, and it's a bit salty because it's preserved in a lot of salt, as you can see in this package right here. If you can't find pickled cherry blossoms at your local Asian supermarkets, you can buy them online. I have included a link in the description below. Okay, let's make Sakura tea. First, take out 1 to 2 pickled cherry blossoms and gently remove some of the excess salt. Next, I have 2 cups ready. Put the cherry blossoms in the first cup and add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of hot water. Let the tea steep for about a minute. Then we'll transfer the cherry blossoms over to the second cup. To do this, use a spoon to scoop the cherry blossoms over. Add some water to the second cup first, makes it easier to release the cherry blossoms from the spoon. Now fill the second cup with some hot water and let this tea steep for another minute or 2. And the Sakura tea is ready. You can adjust the strength of the tea by adding some of the concentrated tea from the first cup. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make Sakura tea with pickled cherry blossoms. Please like this video so I know you enjoyed watching it and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching. Take care.